Discover the secrets to crafting your dream kitchen with cutting-edge design ideas for 2024. Step into a world of kitchen magic with the latest design trends for 2024. Let's create your dream kitchen together. Watch now and transform your space into a stylish culinary haven. HD Interiors fans, welcome to our kitchen design journey. Today, we're diving into the top 12 modern kitchen design ideas for 2024 that are sure to inspire your next kitchen makeover. From smart technologies to sustainable materials and stunning aesthetics, we've curated a list of trends that are reshaping kitchens around the world. In this video, we'll explore how these design ideas can transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. So, whether you're a fan of minimalist elegance, bold color schemes, or seamless integration of smart features, there's something here for everyone. Let's embark on this design adventure together and discover the latest trends that will define modern kitchens in 2024. Are you ready? Let's get started. Smart kitchens are all about integrating cutting-edge appliances and features that make your life easier. Imagine a refrigerator that can suggest recipes based on its contents, or a voice-activated assistant that helps you with hands-free tasks while you cook. These innovations not only add convenience, but also bring a futuristic charm to your kitchen. Now, let's talk about using sustainable materials in your kitchen design. It's not just about creating a beautiful space, it's also about making choices that are environmentally friendly and long-lasting. Imagine having cabinets made from reclaimed wood, countertops crafted from recycled materials, or flooring sourced from sustainable forests. These choices not only reduce waste, but also add a unique, natural element to your kitchen. Embracing a minimalist design philosophy in your kitchen can create a sleek, uncluttered space that exudes elegance and functionality. Here's how to achieve a minimalist look. Opt for kitchen cabinets and furniture with clean, straight lines. Avoid ornate details and excessive decoration to maintain a minimalist aesthetic. Keep countertops free from unnecessary items. Store kitchen appliances and utensils in cabinets or drawers to maintain a tidy appearance. Choose a neutral color scheme, such as whites, grays, or beige, for a minimalist vibe. These colors create a calm and harmonious atmosphere in the kitchen. Select minimalist hardware for cabinets and drawers, such as sleek handles or push-to-open mechanisms. This keeps the focus on the clean lines of the cabinetry. Prioritize functionality in your kitchen layout. Ensure that essential items are easily accessible and that the flow of the kitchen allows for efficient cooking and meal preparation. By incorporating these minimalist design elements, you can create a kitchen that not only looks stylish, but also promotes a sense of calm and organization. Adding bold colors to your kitchen can inject personality and vibrancy into the space. Here's how to incorporate bold color schemes effectively. Choose a bold color for one or more accent walls to create a focal point in the kitchen. This adds visual interest without overwhelming the entire space. Consider painting your kitchen cabinets in a bold color like navy blue, emerald green, or matte black. This can make a striking statement and add a touch of drama to the room. Opt for colorful appliances, such as a vibrant red stove or a retro-inspired refrigerator in a bold hue. These appliances can become eye-catching focal points in an otherwise neutral kitchen. Use colorful accessories and decor items like bar stools, light fixtures, and artwork to introduce pops of color throughout the kitchen. This allows for flexibility in changing color schemes over time. Experiment with contrasting colors to create visual interest. For example, pair a bold color with a neutral shade or use complementary colors for a harmonious yet dynamic look. By incorporating bold color schemes into your kitchen design, you can create a lively and inviting space that reflects your personal style and adds a dose of excitement to daily cooking routines. Open shelving has become a popular trend in modern kitchens, offering both functionality and style. Here's how you can make the most of open shelving in your kitchen design. Open shelves allow you to showcase your favorite dishes, glassware, and decor items. This adds a personal touch to your kitchen and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Arrange items on open shelves in an aesthetically pleasing way. Mix and match different shapes, colors, and textures to create visual interest and depth. Open shelving makes it easy to access frequently used items, such as plates, bowls, and cooking utensils. Everything is within reach, making meal preparation more efficient. Unlike closed cabinets, open shelves create a sense of openness and airiness in the kitchen. They can make a small kitchen feel larger and more spacious. Use baskets or bins on open shelves to organize smaller items and keep clutter at bay. This allows you to maintain a tidy and organized kitchen space. Bringing natural elements into your kitchen design can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here's how to integrate these elements seamlessly. Incorporate wood accents in your kitchen, such as wooden countertops, shelves, or furniture. Wood adds a touch of warmth and rustic charm to the space. Consider using stone for your backsplash, countertops, or flooring. Stone brings a sense of durability, elegance, and natural beauty to the kitchen. Add plants and greenery to your kitchen to bring life and freshness into the space. Herb gardens, potted plants, or hanging vines can enhance the ambience. Maximize natural light by using large windows or skylights. Natural light not only illuminates the space, but also creates a connection to the outdoors. Incorporate organic textures like rattan, jute, or bamboo in decor items such as light fixtures, bar stools, or kitchen accessories. These textures add depth and visual interest. By incorporating these natural elements, you can create a kitchen that feels harmonious, relaxing, and connected to nature. Statement lighting can elevate the ambience and style of your kitchen. Here's how to make the most of it. Hang pendant lights above kitchen islands or dining areas to create a focal point and provide task lighting. Install a chandelier above the dining table or in the center of the kitchen for a touch of elegance and grandeur. Illuminate countertops with under-cabinet lighting to enhance visibility and add a warm glow to the space. Use LED strips above cabinets or along baseboards for ambient lighting and to highlight architectural features. Install dimmer switches for flexibility in adjusting the brightness of your lighting fixtures based on the time of day or mood. Statement lighting not only serves a functional purpose, but also adds personality and visual interest to your kitchen design. Mixing different metal finishes in your kitchen design can create a sophisticated and eclectic look. Here's how to do it effectively. Combine finishes like brass, copper, and stainless steel for a visually dynamic and modern aesthetic. Choose cabinet handles, faucets, and light fixtures in different metal finishes to add variety and interest to your kitchen. Aim for a balanced mix of metals throughout the space to create a cohesive and harmonious design. Use metal accents, such as decorative trays, bar stools, or pendant lights, to tie the mixed metal theme together. Ensure that the mixed metals complement the overall style and color scheme of your kitchen for a cohesive look. A large kitchen island can be a game-changer in your kitchen design, offering both functionality and style. Here's how to make the most of it. Utilize the large surface of the island for multiple purposes, such as meal preparation, dining, and socializing. Incorporate appliances like a sink, dishwasher, or cooktop into the island to streamline your workflow and create a centralized cooking area. Design the island with plenty of storage options, including cabinets, drawers, and shelves, to keep kitchen essentials organized and within reach. Add seating options like bar stools or built-in benches to create a casual dining area or a spot for guests to gather while you cook. Use the island as a design statement by choosing a unique countertop material, decorative lighting fixtures, or contrasting cabinetry to make it a focal point in the kitchen. A well-designed large kitchen island can enhance the functionality, storage capacity, and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, making it a versatile and inviting space for cooking and entertaining. Seamless integration is all about creating a cohesive and harmonious flow between your kitchen and surrounding spaces. Here's how to achieve it. Use consistent design elements, such as color palettes, materials, and finishes, throughout the kitchen and adjoining areas to create a unified look. If possible, consider an open floor plan that blends the kitchen seamlessly with the dining and living areas. This allows for easy interaction and connectivity during gatherings. Create smooth transitions between different zones in the kitchen, such as cooking, dining, and storage areas, to optimize functionality and accessibility. Opt for built-in or panel-ready appliances that blend seamlessly with cabinetry and countertops, maintaining a cohesive appearance. Maximize natural light by strategically placing windows, glass doors, or skylights to illuminate the entire space and enhance the sense of openness and integration. By focusing on seamless integration, you can create a kitchen that not only functions efficiently but also feels interconnected with the rest of your home, promoting a sense of unity and continuity. Hidden appliances are a clever way to maintain a clean and streamlined look in your kitchen. Here's how to incorporate them effectively. Opt for integrated or panel-ready appliances that blend seamlessly with your cabinetry. This creates a cohesive and uninterrupted visual flow in the kitchen. Utilize hidden cabinets or drawers to conceal small appliances like toasters, coffee makers, or blenders when they're not in use. This helps declutter countertops and maintains a tidy appearance. Consider installing appliance garages or retractable doors to hide larger appliances such as mixers, food processors, or microwaves. These solutions keep appliances accessible yet out of sight. Incorporate pull-out pantry units or tall cabinets with internal organizers to store bulkier appliances like stand mixers or slow cookers, keeping them easily accessible when needed and hidden when not in use. Glass features can add a touch of elegance and modernity to your kitchen. Here are some ways to incorporate them effectively. Opt for glass-fronted cabinet doors to showcase dishes, glassware, or decorative items. This adds a visual appeal and creates an open, airy feel in the kitchen. Use glass tiles or panels for the backsplash to create a reflective surface that brightens the space and adds a contemporary touch. Glass backsplashes are also easy to clean and maintain. Consider glass countertops for a sleek and stylish look. Glass surfaces are non-porous, durable, and resistant to stains, making them a practical choice for the kitchen. Choose glass pendant lights to add a touch of sophistication and illumination to the kitchen island or dining area. Glass fixtures can create beautiful light patterns and enhance the overall ambience. Install glass shelves for open shelving units to maintain a minimalist look while showcasing items like glassware, bottles, or decorative pieces. Designing a modern kitchen involves a thoughtful blend of functionality, style, and innovation. From smart technologies to sustainable materials, bold color schemes, and seamless integration, each element contributes to creating a space that is both practical and visually appealing. By incorporating natural elements like wood and stone, experimenting with mixed metals, and embracing statement lighting, you can elevate the ambience of your kitchen while adding a touch of personality. Remember to consider the layout, storage options, and overall flow of your kitchen to ensure it meets your practical needs while reflecting your design preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach with clean lines and neutral colors or you're drawn to bold color schemes and eye-catching features, there are endless possibilities to customize your kitchen to suit your lifestyle and tastes. With careful planning, attention to detail, and creativity, you can transform your kitchen into a functional and beautiful space that serves as the heart of your home. If you found these tips helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also planning their kitchen designs, and subscribe to our channel for more home design ideas and inspiration. Let's create beautiful and functional kitchens together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy designing!